I would use this video as a reinforcer to my subject-predicate lesson because it provides a very detailed explanation on subject and predicate. All right, boys and girls, so we know that a complete sentence has two parts. One part is the subject and the other part is the predicate. If we look at the sentence, people from all nations go to see the Eiffel Tower, who can tell me what the subject is? Perfect. People from all nations is the subject because it's telling us who the sentence is about. Who can tell me what the predicate is? Good job, Carl. Go to see the Eiffel Tower is the predicate because it's telling us what the people from all nations are doing. So we know that the subject can either be a noun or a noun phrase. If it's a noun phrase, it just means that it's more detailed on who the subject is. If we look at go to see the Eiffel Tower, it's telling us what the people are doing, which makes it the predicate, like we already mentioned before. Go is the verb, so it's telling us what they're doing. This video was very in-depth about the verbs and the complete predicates and the complete subjects, so I would probably use this video more for the third graders than I would for the second graders, but overall it was a good video to reinforce subject and predicate.